Can you hear me? Great. Thank you for inviting me to be here. This is so exciting. I teach at Parsons. I teach funding, fashion, and beauty. I love Parsons' outlook on fashion. I think it's so robust because it incorporates fashion's role in culture and like the whole ecosystem of fashion, and that to me is so important. My background is I majored in philosophy. When I began teaching luxury, I went back to philosophy and tried to figure out what does luxury mean? And I went to Plato's World of Forms because what our two speakers said is, you know, there's the aspirational, there's the Burger King, I want it your way, and how do they all fit into this idea of luxury? Some things are exclusive, some things are authentic, and yet we recognize luxury, and you know, for you, luxury could be something different than it is for me. For me, it might be time and a vacation and that experience in Cuba. For someone else, luxury is a wonderful, well-designed, bespoke suit. So, like, you try to find a commonality to all of that, and I think what I see is there's artistry, there's quality, and there's story. And often there's heritage, too. So, do I just flip forward?
No.
Yes, left, right.
Okay, so here. Go here. So this is gorgeous, but not me. I'm loving it.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you. So I recently joined Corsight Research. You all should check it out. We publish free research daily. The sectors we look at are fashion, beauty, consumer trends, retail consumer engagement tech, property tech, supply chain, food and drug, and footwear. I joined as a managing director for luxury and fashion, which have been my passion for many years. When I was a little girl, I was the one that, when I was put in my bedroom as a child because I was naughty, I pretended that it was a store. And when my sisters went into my sock drawer, they came out and they said, I didn't know there were so many colors to me. And then my father would come and say, Marie, you can come out now. It's like, no, I'm having fun here. So early on, I loved fashion. What we do at Corsight Research is we're looking at what's changing in the consumer, and really a lot of this is tech-driven. I do some advisory work with XRC and with New York Fashion Tech Lab, where we see new startups that are changing the way retailers can interact with the consumer. Because one thing that, as a retail analyst for many years, we've seen is that there are no formulas today. And what retailers were doing for probably 30 or 40 years was very formulaic. It was cut and paste. They opened up a store, and then they opened up another store that looked the same. And they did that all across the country. Kay mentioned how department stores were like maybe insurance and real estate. One of the things about department stores is since the it accelerated since the Great Recession 10 years ago, but really for the last 20 or 25, even 30 years, department stores were unwilling to take on inventory risk. They pushed the risk back to the vendor. In doing so, at some point the vendor said, well, I don't take the inventory risk either. So the entire ecosystem became kind of boring fashion. And it's no surprise that in 2007, when the economy started to slide and Apple introduced the iPhone, that all of a sudden, demand for apparel slid. There was nothing new and exciting. Apple was the new fashion. It communicated to the world that you were hip, something that fashion used to do. And it hasn't changed. Like, it's only in the last year or two that we've seen that fashion is resurging again, which is so exciting for anyone who loves fashion. So this is what Corsight does. I want all of you to read our research. Please come to me and I'll sign you up. Old luxury, pristine and sterile. It's not, it's beautiful, but I want to be in community. I want a story. I want a story that I can use to actually create my personality and make me more of who I am. We go to designer brands to look beautiful, but also because there's a story that I want to grab a piece of that and make it mine and create a new story. So luxury brands have to give us the ability to flex with their dream and let us tell their story as part of our story. New luxury is sporty, casual, fun. It's a mix of high and low. When you look at in the last in the last 5 years, what's the searches on Google? You've seen a 20% increase in the search for luxury. You've seen a 120% increase in the search for sustainability and in the search for streetwear. And it's no surprise that these are two things that are differentiating new luxury brands, but also differentiating existing luxury brands. You see what LVMH is doing with streetwear, what Dolce & Gabbana is doing with streetwear, and Balenciaga, all of them. So these are just so fun. And that was Gucci. This is the real. So this is what luxury is too. Luxury, smart, sustainable, and on your terms. So let everybody feel smart when they have, when you spend your money wisely, when you can go home and say, well done. And I think that the internet has taught us so much about how to shop, prices. I did a search yesterday and I found a Gucci dress for $13,000 on Neiman Marcus, and then I found almost the same silhouette at Allison Olivier for $600 and just marked down 25%. So, who's smarter there? Do I buy the Gucci or do I buy the Allison Olivier, or do I actually go to Zara and spend $150 and get the same dress? So the real, and this is the real, is enabling people to go to the primary market and know that, this has resale value. I can buy this. I'm smarter when I buy a Louis Vuitton handbag than when I buy a Celine handbag. I mean, that's one of the takeaways. Another takeaway is it's more sustainable. I'm surprised that more luxury brands haven't incorporated their own ecosystem of bringing used product back to them, restoring it, telling stories. I mean, at the real, here's people sitting outside and enjoying themselves. You go downstairs and you can learn about how to authenticate product, which is exciting. They're creating a community. And I think for a long time we've wanted product isn't boring. We want experience, but the next thing, and I think you spoke to this, is we want community. We want to go to a place where we feel part of it. Luxury brands for a long time had maisons, and a maison is home. You want to feel welcome in a home. And today, we don't want cashiers, we don't want sales clerks. We want people that are as informed as we are about the products that we're looking at and the competitive set that we're shopping from, and that are friendly and attentive to who we are. So sometimes I'm in a rush, and sometimes it's show me what you've got, right? So I'm so delighted to be a part of this esteemed panel, and that's what I've got.